everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another perfume video. I've done one in the past that was like a very affordable top 5 perfumes under rupees 200 and you guys seem to really like that video. I'm going to make sure to link that in the description box below. But it's been a while. I think it's been almost a year since I filmed that. So I thought, why not, let's do another updated one. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 perfumes. Let's be honest, there are more than 5. All of these are very affordable, quite long lasting and smell fabulous. By the way, this video is like a virtual collab with Mansi Mao. Of course, we couldn't get together to film this together like in person, but she's made a very similar video as well. So she's going to be sharing her top 5 fragrances. I'm going to be sharing my top 5 fragrances. I'm going to make sure to link her video as well in the description box below. But without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So I have a combination of perfumes and mists. I'm going to start with a mist. The first fragrance that I have for you guys is Nykaa's Wanderlust. This is the sweet pea variation. So I actually got this in the whole set. The body wash, the lotion and the mist, all of them smell amazing. And here's a really quick life hack if you didn't know already. If you use like the same body wash, the same moisturizer and the same mist, your fragrance is bound to smell like longer. It's gonna linger on you longer than just a mist. So that's just a side note. But anyways, this is the mist that I have for you guys. I in general really like the smell of like sweet pea. Even the one by Bath and Body Works, that smells really nice, but that's way more expensive. This is only for 500 rupees. To be very honest, I have not used it a lot, but I have used it enough to know that it lasts quite long, at least on me, and I really like the way it smells. It smells very fresh. I'm gonna make sure to pop up the top notes of each and every mist or perfume that I'm talking about, because if you watched my previous perfume video, you know I'm not the best at explaining fragrances. But coming back to this fragrance and attempting to explain the scent just a little bit, this is obviously a little bit floral because of the whole sweet pea, and a little bit sweet. It's not too sweet, a little bit fresh also. So for like an everyday basis, daytime especially, this is fab. If you're someone who goes to school or even college, I think this would be like a great mist to invest in. It's only for 500 rupees and you get quite a lot. That's pick number 1. The second fragrance that I have for you guys is a perfume. This is a EDT. It's not a EDP. Basically the EDP, the parfum, is something that's gonna stay a lot longer and it's a lot more concentrated. This is just an EDT, so it's not as concentrated, but nonetheless it lasts very long on me. This is by Miniso and this is the Life Bloom perfume. As you can see, I'm halfway done with this perfume. I used to carry this around in my bag. That's the beauty about like these perfumes. They're so like tiny and compact. You can literally throw them in your bag and like spray it throughout the day if you want to, but I think if you just apply it in the morning, you should be good to go. Now talking about this scent, this is a little bit more citrusy. It's not as like fresh as the previous one. This is a little bit more deeper. I feel like you could wear this even during the evening and get away with it. If you enjoy citrusy fragrances, definitely check this one out. In fact, Miniso just has so many amazing perfumes. I did want to include this one as well. This is the Violet Musk, but I know Mansi's video ka recommendation maybe ye hai, but this is just such a fab perfume. Does not last as long, the Violet Musk, but it just smells so nice, so expensive, so luxurious. So definitely just go to Miniso whenever the lockdown is like over with and just like smell different fragrances. They have so many to choose from and all of them are very affordable. Let's do another perfume. This is by The Body Shop. Now if you follow me on my Instagram, you've probably seen this in my February favorites. This I again carry around in my bag. I carry way too many perfumes in my bag, but this is The Body Shop's Vanilla EDT. Again, not EDP, but I will say this is very strong. If you love vanilla, if you're like me and you're obsessed with vanilla, this just smells straight up like vanilla. I said vanilla way too many times in the same sentence, but this is so like musky and vanilla-y, but lasts very long. It's very strong, I have to say that. Compared to everything that I've showed in today's video, this is a little bit more expensive. This is for 995 rupees, but I would say it's totally worth it because it smells very expensive and it lasts very long. Now if you don't like vanilla as like a fragrance on you, I also have the strawberry variant. I really like strawberry. Like if you like fruity fragrances, This is fab. And if you've ever sniffed the strawberry variant from the Body Shop, I think it's one of the best fragrances in the world. Like, I'm obsessed with their soap, the lotion, all of that. So I had to pick up the mist also. This does not last as long as the vanilla one. I don't know why. But yeah, definitely check out these. I would recommend the vanilla over the strawberry. Guess what? I have another vanilla fragrance. This is by Bath and Body Works, and this is their warm vanilla sugar. Now the warm vanilla sugar wala range, I have the body lotion, I even have the candle in this same variant. Again, one of my favorite scents. It's not only just like vanilla and musky, it's also a little bit sweet, hence the sugar. So if you get headaches with like sweet fragrances, this won't be for you. But if you're someone who's like me and really is like a sucker for like sweet fragrances, very like Victoria's Secret vibes, this is the one to go. As you can see, I've used almost all of it. I maybe have like 2 spritz in here left. I use this up very, very quickly. I used to like love the fragrance so much that I would go around spraying this on me like 2 to 3 times a day. Not because it didn't last like long on me. I would say it's like a medium, like doesn't last too long and doesn't like disappear within like 10 minutes of you applying. It's somewhere in the middle, so you might want to like reapply maybe once a day. You don't need to like excessively apply it like me. I just did it because I was obsessed with the scent, so I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. I can't seem to find the price of this. When I checked online, it was somewhere between 600 to 700 rupees, which I think is pretty good. Just in case you're wondering, I think I would pass this more as a nighttime fragrance. I don't know why. Even though it's like vanilla and sugar, it has a little bit of like a sexy nighttime sort of an undertone. I can't explain it. Like, by this point, you know, not very good at explaining scents. But yeah, this is my pick number 4. Now, fragrance number 5 is the most inexpensive out of everything that I'm going to show you. I mentioned and spoke briefly about this perfume in my top 10 products under rupees 100. This is by Ramsons and the fragrance is called You Are Lovely. This is a EDP, so it's very, very concentrated, very, very strong. So if you're someone who doesn't like strong fragrances, stay away from this. But if you're someone like me who likes to, you know, like smell of something and have it last throughout the day, definitely check this one out. I think when you buy this on Nykaa, it's for 150 rupees, but when you buy it locally, like say from a chemist, this is for 110. Now again, this is more on the sweet side, but I would say a little bit nighttime sweet, like it's in the middle. It smells like something like my mom would wear. So what I mean by saying that, it's a little bit more mature sort of a fragrance. It's not like a very bubbly, fruity, you know, bubblegummy sort of a smell. It's not for like kids. I mean, you could wear this if you're in school or college, if that's like your scent preference. But this is very like mature, I would say. It's only for 110. I think smells very rich, expensive, lasts very long, and portable. Like, you can carry this around in your bag even if it does end up breaking. Not too bad, because it was only for $100. It is like a glass bottle, so might want to be careful about that. But I think it's great. Like, for $100, I don't think I can ask for anything more. Those were my top 5 perfume picks, but you know me, I have to add in some like extras. So I do have one more perfume that I want to share with you guys. This is a little bit more expensive. So I believe all the perfumes that I showed you so far were under 1,000 rupees. This is for 1,900 rupees. So if you want to, like, if you're willing to spend a little bit extra, definitely try. In fact, both of these are by the United Colors of Benetton. So the first one is this United Dreams Together. This is like a recent one that I started using. This is very, very musky. And the other one, which I've actually used halfway through, this is called Colors. This is just like very fresh, very daytime, very like appropriate for work, will like wake you up, and it just smells nice, honestly. And both of them last very, very long. The packaging is like a little bit more luxurious as compared to everything else, hence the price is also a little bit more. But yeah, these are my extra 2 recommendations. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to go check out Mansi's video as well. Check out her recommendations. I really trust her recommendations when it comes to like perfumes. I like her taste in like perfumes, so definitely check it out. It's gonna be linked down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. It just lets me know if you're interested in these types of videos, so I can make more. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.